So in this video, let's talk about setting a pattern on the iPhone. Let's get into it. There are more things you might mean by that, right? Obviously there is what's called a pattern for unlocking, especially on Android devices, and you might be interested in that. So if you go to the Face ID and passcode section and confirm your identity, you might check out and change some of these settings here, right? So what you can do is to change your passcode, right? It's not like you can change it to a actual Android style pattern, but you can change it to a different security type. When you click on the passcode options right there, you can choose a 4-digit, 6-digit numeric code or alphanumeric code, which is also like involving letters, right? So you can customize your phone in that sense, even though it's, as I say, not entirely the same thing as on Android, in case you are referring to that. But other than that, there are more places where you might be looking into patterns. For example, in the sounds and haptics, you can change and set up custom haptics or a vibration pattern for things like your ringtone, for example, right? So if you go in here, you can see I already have my custom pattern, but you can click on this, create a new vibration and just create your own pattern. Now, obviously, it is a completely different thing in a different sense of the word, but it also might be very useful for a lot of people, and especially if you had that in mind. So that's how you can create it as well. That's like another point, another side of the coin. So yeah, let me know below in the comments if you found this video helpful. Share your thoughts below. Most definitely subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later in the next uploads.